Hello, class. This is Mr. Graham. Class is for period 1 and 2, seventh graders. This is the entrepreneurial class. I'm going to show you guys how to do your next assignment, which is on knowledge matters. You can do it on your iPad or you can do it on a PC or laptop computer that you might have. So I'm going to show you how to get there through this tutorial. I'm going to put the course key in the assignments on Microsoft Teams. You can find that also. But if you watch this video, I'm going to create, follow the steps. You can rewind it back and watch it again if you need to. But just watch the video. I'm going to show you how to get to your next assignment so you can start working on that. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your browser in Safari, and you're going to go to a website called Knowledge Matters. So go ahead and type in Knowledge Matters.com. Okay? So once you get there, you're going to put the course code in. So you're going to find at the very top, right? You're going to put sign in, and you're going to sign into the virtual business. Okay? When you do that, you're going to go to New Student Register here. Click on Register. And then the course code is going to be, all caps, DS, I'll make that S capital, S 2 P B 9. So the course code is DS 2 P B 9. Once you put that in, go ahead and put search, and you're going to come to, it's going to say locate course. The course is going to be business management, Mr. Graham, Holcomb Bridge Middle School, and continue registration. Once you see that, click on continue registration, and go ahead and put in your email address, whatever your email address is, and put your first name, you put your last name, and then choose a password. I suggest you choose a password that's easy for you to remember, because too many of you guys are calling me, emailing me, telling me you can't remember your password. Make it very simple so that you can remember it. I'll put my date of birth in, so that'd be easier for me to remember. Put it in twice. Okay, then you go ahead and register. If you get any errors, it'll tell you if you get an error on that. All right, so I got an error on here, register with existing account. So apparently I already have an account. So once you settle on getting an account, let's try it again. All right, you already have an account. Once you log in and get an account, you're going to come to your dashboard. It looks like this. You'll have your name to the top right over here. Then you'll have your information. Then you're going to have your course here. So go ahead and click on the course name. And then you're going to have all your information to start. So you're going to start your first simulation tutorial right here. And basically, you're going to be going all the way down until the remaining of the course. So you'll finish this sometime in May. And I'll be tracking your progress. Everyone's going to be going at a different pace. So that's how you get in. Start your first tutorial. It's pretty easy. You're going to have to expand your screen a little bit, but just read what you see here. There's tests in here that you can do. There's projects in here you can do. But you're basically going to be working on this for the remaining of the course. All right? We'll be all doing this together. So if you guys have any questions, I'm doing the same thing to make sure you guys are on the same track as me, and I can track your progress. So basically what you're going to be doing is, this is going to be a food truck business like we did in Venture. And you're going to have to create a business using Knowledge Matters. So the first tutorial is going to show you how to do the project. Just go through the first tutorial. You can actually turn your screen long way and you can see how to do the tutorial. It'll give you a nice simulation on how to do it. Put your name of the business and you're going to go down to the end. Okay? I'll be giving some more tutorials on this in the future, but for right now, I want you guys to just get settled in by creating an account and logging in. Don't worry about finishing the whole thing this week. You're not going to be able to finish the whole thing this week. Just worry about trying to get registration done and doing the tutorial. All right, I will talk to you guys later.